Thanks, handsome husband.
Hi.
Nice, JJ. Look at this cute face. This is the cute face. It's on the advertisement for this restaurant right there. You are the Chocolate Emporium girl. Hey.
We are on a boat. We are on a boat.
Yeah?
And I'm sweating to death. That's what's going on.
You guys want to come here and perform?
I'm gonna go swimming.
You want to go swimming in there?
Yeah.
Really?
How about
That's
alligators?
where the alligators are, man. Want to go swim with the alligators right now?
Yeah.
All right. What
No,
about you?
no.
Hey, boys. How's it going?
If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to let me know and I will help you out to the best of my abilities. If you don't have any questions, please just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
That's what happens when you run off, Juliana. Jackson gets you. Time to head home.
Okay.
Juliana's Jackson's partner. Everyone has a buddy. Jaden's having a rough time. JJ,
Two.
what's wrong?
You have to hold my hand.
What
did he say?
No, you gotta be Daddy's partner.
You're my partner, dude. One,
You gotta hold his hand.
two.
Everyone else is getting a treat. Everybody else is getting treats in the car, but not JJ.
What kind of treat?
Like Snickers. Ooh, we finally held his hand. Not happy about it. JJ had a problem. Everyone has their buddy and he keeps running away.
We gotta see the tower, and we gotta look through the gates of Universal Studios, and we got to.
Is
We
it sad
gotta
looking through the
play.
gates and wishing you could go in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your hair. On our way home. All through the road here, it's nighttime if you could see. People have piles of brush all along. It's actually not as bad as it was after Hurricane Matthew last year. Poor little dead bird.
We should have
Right
a
on our
funeral for
doorstep.
it.
So you're gonna bury the bird?
Yeah.
Wait, you dug a hole just now really fast?
Just dig a hole.
I got it. Please tell me I don't need a bigger hole. This is what we did for the bird that Tyson found in Missouri.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You buried it?
That bird that got caught in the fence in Missouri. And when Tyson was really little. And Jackson and Tyson found it and we gave him food and water.
Poor little bird.
Everybody come outside. We should have a funeral for the dead bird that did not survive the hurricane. What did you love about the bird, Tyson? You start.
I loved that he died on my doorstep.
All right, Jackson, what did you love about that bird?
I liked how the bird flew.
Good flyer, that bird. That bird was a good flyer.
What did you love about that bird?
He's a quiet bird.
Flipper.
He didn't bother anybody.
Didn't bother anybody.
Except the door.
He's trying to live a life.
What kind of bird? All right, Jordan. Where?
Mariah already buried the bird.
He
Where
had gray feathers and yellow feathers. He looked like Bumblebee.
I love.
Oh, little bumblebee. We're naming the bird Bumblebee.
I love about the bird that he used to crawl on my back.
Really? Girl, that ain't true. Lots of debris everywhere, especially over here. This is, you can see it better in the morning, but this whole thing is ripped off.
Why did Blaze have to learn?
We can't even open up this door.
Blaze had
All
to
the
learn
trees
how to
fell through here. Poor Jackson just split his eye open. Unloading the van, huh? Hurricane Irma injury. You're a survivor though, buddy.
I survived Hurricane Irma.
We just finished scripture study. Everyone is out. Got so much to clean up tomorrow. Good night, Mariah. I love you. Tyson, will you come get little Juliana?
Hey guys, what you got going on over here?
We're getting all the
Wow, look at that pile.
on the street. That's the biggest pile. I mean, that's where our
There's a pile over there. Piles of stuff over there.
Still trying to get everything over there.
Mostly big branches and things like that falling down.
Everybody's working. Working. Big mess, but it could have been so much worse. Our instruments are staying. Our little plants. When we arrived in Orlando, as evacuees, hey JJ. He's having fun cleaning. When we arrived in Orlando, I had such a low blood pressure. It was 90 over 60 or something like that. And I almost passed out. I was so dizzy. Now when I came back, this morning I was throwing up. So I stayed inside for a minute. Now I'm ready to conquer this yard. Goodness gracious.
I was trying to pick that out of there,
Yeah?
and as I did it, something reached up and grabbed my arm. And I was like, ah! It was like this thing went like that, and it like snapped like right there and grabbed my arm. I was like, ah!
The tree, really.
And then they were like, oh, what happened? They thought, oh, I thought you were just joking.
I think you and I may be a little more affected by the hurricane than we realized. You got inanimate objects grabbing you.
Hey, you don't know about these plants, man. Some of these plants, that's what they do.
Looking good, kids. Looking good. Keep working. Looking good, my handsome husband. Or what's the race?
Making the pie corn the fastest.
Yeah, are you gonna win?
Uh-huh.
Who's the race against?
20.
Ooh, looking good, JoJo. Good job, son. You must really love that umbrella, huh? Is it keeping the sun off you? Yeah, you're doing a good job, baby girl.
Thanks.
Doing great. Doing great. Okay, I was cleaning up in here, and this thing started crawling on my foot, Abe. Who would expect a giant crab back here? I was screaming, like my heart is still.
From inside, that's why I can't.
You heard me? Yeah, I didn't expect this thing. That's huge. Hold up to your face. Yeah, who would expect that?
He's strong too.
I'm still shaking.
Should we let him be?
Let him be, I guess. He's not hurting us. Scared me.
That was crazy.
So I just talked to our neighbor, and I guess the blue crabs have been all up on the driveway and everything. They came up with all that water because it was ocean water that came up. The river behind us, well, it's a ways behind us, is connected to the ocean. And so when the ocean fills up, the surge, it overflows that river because that surge is with it, and then we had water right up close here. And so these big crabs came up with it. Juliana, what's this contraption you got here?
You're trying to like spin it on people that they can like code down.
Oh, so you walk under it and you pour it, you dump it?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Everybody working, sweeping, blowing, mowing. Look how much stuff we have. Hey neighbors. Thanks for helping us. This is Jaden's best friend. Juliana, what are you doing? Good girl, good girl. Girl, why do you have a frog in my bed?
A
Wait,
toad.
ah, get out of my bed. Did it just pee?
Yeah.
Is that pee on my bed?
Yeah.
Is that frog pee?
No, I don't think so. Yeah.
Frog pee on my bed. I heard it. That doesn't sound like ribbit. That sounds like a chirp. All right, out of my bedroom.
Oh, I'm holding
Out of my bedroom! Mariah, get it out of the house. Why do you keep bringing things into my bedroom?
We were trying to let
What do
the
you have
frog go,
now?
and then I saw this, a crab.
Get these things out of my bedroom. I'm sitting here trying to edit my videos. Don't you dare let go of that crab in my bed. Mariah.
Why is there a crab?
Exactly, Jordan.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.